Many plants can thrive in water without soil, making them a popular choice for indoor gardening. These plants, known as hydrophytes, have adapted to absorb nutrients and moisture directly from the water, eliminating the need for soil, making them a great option for those who want low-maintenance houseplants. Here are some popular plants that grow well in water indoors. Number 1. The broken heart plant, also known as Monstera adansonii, is a popular houseplant known for its striking heart-shaped leaves with holes. These attractive features give it an ornamental charm that complements various indoor settings. Water propagation is a simple and effective way to propagate this beautiful plant. Simply take a cutting from a healthy stem, making sure to include a node, where the leaves grow from the stem. Place the cutting in a jar of water, ensuring the node is submerged. Number 2. Pothos is a popular houseplant that is known for its easy care and ability to tolerate low light conditions. It can be grown in a variety of containers, including vases, jars, and bowls. Pothos is one of the easiest plants to propagate. You can propagate it by taking stem cuttings from a mature plant. Place the cutting in a jar or vase of clean water. Pothos is a beautiful and easy-to-care-for houseplant that can add a touch of greenery to any home. With a little care, you can enjoy pothos for many years to come. Number 3. Spider plants are very easy to grow indoors. Also a great choice for beginner gardeners. They can help to purify the air by removing toxins such as formaldehyde and benzene. They can also help to reduce stress and improve mood. Spider plants are known for their easy care and ability to produce spinnerets, which are baby spider plants that grow on long runners. Simply take a spinneret and place it in a jar of water. The roots will begin to grow within a few weeks, and you can then plant the spinneret in a pot of soil. Number 4. Rubber plants are a popular choice for indoor gardeners because they are easy to care for and they can tolerate a variety of conditions. They are also beautiful plants that can add a touch of greenery to any home. Rubber plants can be propagated from stem cuttings. Simply cut a 6-inch section of stem from a healthy plant and remove the leaves from the bottom 2 inches of the stem. Place the cutting in a glass of water and place it in a warm, sunny location. The cutting will root in a few weeks, and you can then plant it in a pot of potting mix. Number 5. The Fiddle Leaf Fig is a popular houseplant. It is known for its large, violin-shaped leaves that can grow up to 18 inches long. Fiddle leaf figs are also known for their air-purifying qualities and their ability to add a touch of tropical elegance to any home. Fiddle leaf figs are a bit more difficult to propagate in water. However, it is still possible with a little patience. Simply take a cutting from a healthy stem and place it in a jar of water. The roots will begin to grow within a few weeks, and you can then plant the cutting in a pot of soil. It can also be propagated with leaf. Number 6. Lucky bamboo. With its slender stems and vibrant green foliage, it symbolizes good fortune and prosperity. This adaptable plant thrives in water, adding a touch of zen to your home decor. Number 7. Monstera, also known as the Swiss cheese plant, is a popular houseplant with striking, perforated leaves that add a touch of tropical flair to any interior. These adaptable plants can thrive in a variety of conditions, making them a good choice for both novice and experienced plant enthusiasts. For water propagation, select a healthy stem with at least 2 nodes. Remove any leaves from the bottom 2 inches of the stem. Dip the end of the cutting in rooting hormone. Place the cutting in a jar or vase of clean water. Once the roots are 2 to 3 inches long, you can plant the cutting in a pot of well-draining potting mix. Number 8. The ZZ plant has become a popular houseplant worldwide due to its low-maintenance nature. ZZ plants can be propagated by division or by leaf cuttings. To propagate ZZ plant by division, gently separate the rhizomes of a mature plant into 2 or more sections. Each section should have at least 1 or 2 leaves. Place that stem in a jar of water. Within a few weeks, you should see roots begin to develop. Once the roots are a few inches long, you can plant the cutting in a pot of well-draining soil. To propagate ZZ plants by leaf cuttings, cut off the leaflets together with petioles, and air dry the cuttings overnight. Put the base of the cuttings into a glass of water. In 4 to 5 weeks you can see the little tubers and roots that you can keep as it is in water or transfer it to soil. Number 9. Aglaonema is a beautiful houseplant known for its vivid foliage and ability to tolerate a range of conditions. It comes in different varieties. Propagating aglaonema plants via water propagation is a simple and effective technique that allows you to create new plants from existing ones. For propagation, simply cut the stem with a sterilized knife and put that stem in clean water. Within a few weeks, you should notice roots starting to form from the nodes. Once the roots are about 2 to 3 inches long, your aglaonema cutting is ready to be planted in the soil. Number 10. Coleus has been cultivated for centuries for its striking and colorful leaves. With its wide range of varieties, each featuring unique patterns and color combinations, Coleus offers an abundance of choices to enhance indoor and outdoor spaces. Coleus is easy to propagate from stem cuttings. Cut the healthy stem, remove any leaves from the bottom. Place the stem cutting in a jar or container filled with fresh water. Within a few weeks, roots should start to form from the nodes. Cutting is ready to be planted in a pot. Key steps involved in water propagation are choosing healthy cuttings, making clean cuts, removing bottom leaves, using clean water, changing water regularly, monitoring root growth, and planting cuttings in soil. I encourage you to give water propagation a try and share your experiences with me in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more gardening tips and tutorials. Happy planting!